Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. Just want to give you a quick overview on the NEO Business Wireless ACP program. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but you can definitely earn some terrific passive income and as well as make this a full-time career if you choose so. It's all going to be based on if you're compassionate enough to help people and as well as you're willing to put in the work and the time that it takes to and be disciplined, okay? Everyone starts off as a broker, but we do have three levels. There's a broker, manager, and influencers. Okay, you have to define where you want to fit in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you a brief video on your portal. Your portal is where you can be able to track your commissions and as well as see who you've signed up that is also selling as well. So there's two different ways that you can earn commissions. One, by you directly selling. Two, you referring someone who is selling. All right. So with no further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to log in from a demo account. So when you go to your login, yours may or may not look different than this, but the typical principle is you log in to the account here, okay? And when you first get in, it's going to be on the dashboard. So what you want to take a look at, if you need some help or assistance with understanding how to navigate through the dashboard, see this icon right here to the right? You just click on that, and it'll let you know, brief summary of the different tabs that you have there, okay? But I'm just going to give you a little bit more of a high level overview. So as you see, dashboard is there, and that's pretty much it. It'll show you all your different contributing factors. There's hyperlinks to go to each of these actions that you see hyperlinked, okay? Even right here, your geographics, you can even, click out of there to just kind of get a narrowed down emphasis on where your traffic is coming from. Your reports page here, you can filter on this side, even see your different traffic sources, who's referring them, and so on. You'll have this graphic chart. Assets are really neat right here. This is where you can get your referral link, and this is what you can copy and paste into emails, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. These different assets as well are really neat because you can paste these embedded codes on websites and blogs and so on, but you can even share them directly from here. So if you want to access, easy ability to share, you can go right there by clicking those buttons, or right here, here's another option to share as well. You just copy the link and there's an embedded as well. You can post straight to Facebook, post straight to Twitter. So really neat and handy. This setup here is for multi-level marketing. So for example, if you want to recruit representatives under you and earn a commission every time they make a sale, you can use this link to sign your referrals up. And of course, you can share to the different platforms. If you have referrals, you'll see them down at the bottom. If you earn any bonuses, bonuses will be here as well. You can see where your additional bonuses will be added. Conversions. This is the page here where you can see if what you've converted for the month, the day, the week, whatever it is. You can see your different customers right here. You can see what you're earning from the representatives that you sign up, and as well as your bonuses, all in your conversions tab. And then of course sources. This is where you can add a source. For example, I just use my link tree right here. But that's like a primary source where you would paste a URL so we can track from that source initially for you, okay? This is where any payouts would be. Of course, this is a demo account, so we hadn't put any payouts in there yet, but payouts would come right here and you'd see where you'd get paid, okay? All right, now another neat thing is if you want to go ahead and upgrade to the latest version of the platform, you see where it says this beta version here? You can go ahead and update to the beta version. It'll have the similar traits as well, but you'll notice everything to the left. Here's our asset items as well. Your referral link is right here. So that's just another option you have